Welcome back once again, dear students. It is expected that you all are fine, regularizing your studies in this crucial time, and also in the learning process, you are watching the videos up to date to get to know the topics which we are studying through various videos. And I do expect that after watching the videos, you may be familiarizing with the concepts, and now you are a bit clear about all the facts that we have. I expect that the communications that we are using, that is enough for you to understand it in a better way. As I had told you previously, if you face any kind of difficulties regarding the chapter or any topic concerned, you can comment or use the other social media platforms. You are welcome, and within a time span your doubts will be clarified. So here in today's session we are still going to deal with the second chapter, that is population. And many things we have learned in detail about the population, the effects, the concepts. Then later on we have studied the division of population in detailed way. Nowadays, I hope so that you are very well familiar with all these facts. Now, we are just going towards the end of this chapter. So in this session, we will be dealing about the age and sex pyramids. How the age and sex pyramids are important one. How it will help to understand the study of population in the detailed way. After watching this, you will definitely get to know the facts regarding the population in a better way. So I do expect that you watch the videos from the previous to the last one, so you will be thorough with the chapter. It's a pyramid that is specially designed to demarcate or to distinguish the composition of age and sex. And when we go through this combination of age and sex, we will definitely understand what type of composition of age and sex do we have in the population. And as its word suggests that it is a pyramid, because when we will study with the help of diagram, you will understand that it makes somewhat structure like pyramid. So it is called as population pyramid. So now here we will just try to take a look at and study what is actually the age and sex pyramid with the help of the diagram. And after the diagram, there are some various methods we use to show the population composition with the help of the diagram and how it is useful. So here now we will study with the help of the diagram. Let's take a look at and try to understand the concept in a better way. Population pyramid is the most effective method to understand the structure of age and sex in the given population. Let's try to study with the help of diagram. So if you take a look at here, there is a diagram about the age and sex population. Let's focus on that and study how it is useful and how it is made. You can see that this percentage of population can be expressed with the help of bars, and these are arranged in the form of diagram. of pyramid. And if you can notice here, there are the longer bars at the bottom or at the base, and shorter ones you can see at the top. Here there are two types of markings are there. The left sides of the bars represents the population of male, and the right side proportion and the bars represent the female population in the particular age group. And here if you just see the base or the bottom of this population pyramid represents the youngest group of population, and if we move towards vertically upper base, you can find it out that it just starts in ascending order, and the top base is having the oldest age group. So in this case we can take a look at here. At bottom we have 0 to 4 years age. It keeps on growing, and in the middle approximately it has 50 to 54, and at the end the age group represents 75 to 79. This means youngest at the bottom, then comes middle age group, and then come oldest age group, and they all are arranged in ascending order. And if you just take a look at this, how it is formed in a very communicative way, it helps to understand the characteristics of the given population of that areas. And this pyramid will definitely suggest you that at which age group how there is a proportion of female to male, and that will give you a detailed idea about the male and the female sex ratio in particular age groups altogether, and you will get to know all together age groups, male and female structures of the population. And this is the population pyramid, which just looks like a pyramid. After learning the basics about this population pyramid, this pyramid can be used to study the various types of population between the male and female. So in this study, we shall be discussing about there are three types of pyramids widely used to express the male and female population. And the first one we are about to study, that is expanding population. Now in expanding population, how this pyramid works out, its characteristics, and how it is helpful to study about the population in detail. The first type of population pyramid is expanding population. Now in the expanding population, generally if you take a look at here, the proportion of age and sex with the male and female, it is generally shows the less triangular, especially the base is a broader one and the apex becomes narrower. So you can see easily here, it roughly forms the pyramid shape, a triangular shape. Then what does indicate? It indicates that as the base is a broader, this means the birth rate of male and female is higher at the younger age groups. Take a look at here, 0 to 4. Here there is an equal proportion or approximate proportion of male with the female. This represents the higher birth rates. 5 to 9, then 20 to 24 years of age, 30 to 34 years of age. Up to this we can just broadly focus and understand that there is a high birth rate. That's why the base are broader. But if you go towards the top, that is an apex from the 50 to 54, then 65 to 69, and then 75 to 79 years of age group, you can see there is a very less number of male and female. This means the death rate is also high in the age old group. But broadly speaking, here rather than the death, the birth rates are more, and this represents that the particular country has a very rapid population of growth. So some of the dense population countries may have this expanding population pyramid, and in India also we can have this type of population pyramid because we are also one of the most populous countries where there is a rapid population growth. Some other countries like Nigeria in Africa, Bangladesh, the neighboring country of India, Mexico, and India, they have expanding type of population pyramid. Expanding means growing and widening type of population pyramid. That's what how the first type of pyramid used to show the death rates and the birth rates along with the age groups and help us to understand how the population increases or decreases.